One, it is 2025 Oscars awards, as many celebrities are on the red carpet. So we get to see that Timothée Chalamet is on the path to greatness, and he did not disappoint on the Oscars red carpet. Now, is it true in his yellow suit? So I like the yellow suit. It's kind of like um not velvet, I think not silk, but these clothes whereby they just clean off something that is dirty. So I didn't like the yellow. It over brightened you. Yeah, so I feel like as saying that he didn't disappoint, but on my side I felt like he disappointed the look.